All right, we're in the driveway. Chewy's back on the channel. We're doing some wheels, some fuel wheels, replacing these stockers because there's no B-locks on the stock wheels. And yeah, check out the footage. We're gonna install these real quick. If you want to learn how to mount B-locks, because this video is not gonna really show you, go ahead and check out the link that I left in the description. I did B-locks on my X3, and it goes step by step to show you guys how to do that. So yeah, check it out. All right, so it's 6 o'clock. Sun's already down. We're working on some wheels. We're getting new wheels for the Razor Turbo S. What do you got there, Chewy? Some fuels? Some fuels. So these are gonna look pretty sick because he got like a gray silver theme going on, and these are like a what? Gunmetal gray?
Machine gray.
So those are pretty dope. We're getting ready for a big trip, and B-locks are a must. So we're gonna go ahead and get these done. Enjoy the time lapse. Check out FuelUTV.com. Actually, I don't know what the website is. You know what the website is?
No.
It's not FuelUTV.com, is it?
Fuel.com.
Fuel wheels, fuel.com, one of those. Check them out, they got some good stuff. All right, we're putting on the wheels, blessing Chewy with some gear for the trip. We're gonna be doing a nice trip. We're not gonna say where, at least not yet, until we make it for sure. But it looks like it's gonna be a good trip. Pretty far though, but it's beautiful. Can't wait to get some drone shots for you guys. It'll be pretty damn awesome. And yeah, let's get these fuel wheels on with Coyote tires. What a difference. We're going from these fairly boring matte black wheels to these fuel wheels with actual B-lock rings, not just regular tires, you know, not regular rims. These are pretty badass. How do you like them, Chewy?
I love them. I
like them too. I think it matches the car
a lot better.
So yeah, let's finish up the other two and get this guy out of here because it's getting late. So let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right, so the nighttime doesn't do this car justice, so we're gonna get some footage in the daytime. So check it out. Here it is. All right, so we'll have more on Chewy's Razor over at our trip. We'll do a walk around of the car and show you guys more of what he's done to it, because there's a lot of cool stuff on that car. Carbon fiber, Baja Designs lights. It's just really, really sick. So check it out. See you guys next time, and peace out.